Hello everyone, you have to take the hairs and then divide them into two parts. Start using the rubber bands like this on the sides. Fix the hairs properly as shown in the video. Now we will divide the hairs into two parts. Roll them together like this. Fold it carefully as shown in the video. Follow the same step for the other sides. You have to roll the hairs in the same manner. Fold it upward and fix it inside the hairs like this. Put the rubber band over it and fix them in the same rubber band like this. Now follow the same step for the other side. Roll the hairs and then fold it upward and fix it inside the rubber bands on the top like this. After that, we will fix the hairs into each other and fix them on the alternative sides like this using the hairpins, and your hairstyle is almost ready. Don't forget to put the designer pins and it will look more beautiful. Next, you have to take the hairs on the top and then make the plaits on it like this. Take the hairs from the sides in these small sections and join them on the back like this. Tie them one by one as we are joining the hairs here. Take it very carefully how we are tying it. Join the hairs in these small sections like this. Take it and then pin it at the back one by one like this and make the plaits. Take it till the end and tie the hairs till the end like this. You can fold it upward and make a bun, otherwise you can just keep it as it is and your hairstyle is almost ready. Next, we will tie all the hairs and make a ponytail using the rubber bands. Now pull out the hairs from the top in the very small sections like this. Pinch it and then pull it out little bit like this. Follow these steps very carefully to not hurt yourself. Now divide the hairs into three parts and then make the plaits on it. Fix it properly as shown in the video. Take it till the end. Pull out the hairs from the sides by pulling the hairs like this. Now after tying the hairs, we can fold it upward and make a bun. So roll it carefully. Fix it on the top using the hairpins like this, and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs on the top by making the plaits. Now take the hairs from the sides. Now join it in the between of the plaited hairs and fix it like this. So roll it around the hairs and pull it out. So here we are tying the knot like shape and then fix the hairs together by tying it like this. Now again take the small section of the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back, join it like this and then rotate it. Keep rotating the hairs and fix it on the back like this by joining the hairs. Join the hairs in the lining ways. Again rotate it and fold it upward like this. Fix it very carefully and watch these steps very carefully how we are tying the hairs. Join it like this. Now keep taking the hairs from the sides in the one by one way as shown in the video. Fix it till the end and your hairstyle will be almost ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.